This is not your typical normal pen. It feels like a gadget straight out of a James Bond movie. Meet the Flowtica Scribe. With a click of a button, it records every meeting you attend. It summarizes your voice memos and remembers everything. Plus, there's something about this pen that genuinely surprised me. But before I get to that, here's what you get in the box. The pen itself is made out of aluminum and is properly weighted. And the part that it got me, it's actually a pen. Twist the body, an actual pen pops out. And if you're thinking, well, what if I run out of ink? Well, they include a generous amount of spare ink refills in the box. The carrying case that it comes with is honestly the most premium part about this unboxing. It's leather on the outside, soft Alcantara on the inside, and it feels more like a watch box than a pen case. Setting it up is pretty quick, so let me run you through it. First up, you charge the case via USB-C. The pen drops in and charges magnetically through these little pins that you see on the back of it. Then you download the Flowtica app, you allow mic access, and you're done. So now the question is, what does this actually do for you? Imagine you're in a meeting or in a lecture. You can just press the button on the top once, and that's it. And here's the part that blew me away. The Scribe is MFI certified, so it connects to your iPhone properly. All you have to do is to keep your Bluetooth on, and that's the only rule. The app can be closed, your phone can be locked, you can even be in the middle of a phone call, it doesn't matter. The audio still transmits, and a full transcript plus a clean structured summary gets generated automatically. And that's their Flowtran technology doing the work in the background, so you never have to import a thing. The second feature covers everything that the mic can't hear. It's called Snap It. You point your phone at a page and take a picture, and it doesn't just save the photo, it actually reads it. So your messy handwritings becomes a searchable text sitting right next to all your recordings. So now you have everything that you capture, everything that you say, and everything that you write live in one place, and that unlocks the best feature. And that feature is called Ask Anything. It's exactly what it sounds like. You know that feeling when you're like, I know I wrote it down somewhere, but you don't know where? And that's basically what the Flowtica AI does. It gives you answers in plain English, pulled from what was actually said, not a guess, the actual conversation. So the pen captures and then remembers. And when your memory fails you, your pen is there to save the day. And if you have paid attention, there's a button right here, and this is called the flow mark. When someone says something important mid-meeting, you press it and it flags the exact moment in the app for you. Now look at the app. See that little highlight section out of the whole recording? Out of the whole recording, Flowmark has pinned the exact moments that I wanted to. So I'm not scrubbing through anything, and I just jump straight to the moments that I marked. Also, you might ask, how's the battery life? Well, it claims 30 hours of recording on one charge and 100 hours with the case. I haven't charged this for the past week and it's still going. If you have any questions, make sure you drop down in the comment section, and if you enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And until the next video, ciao.